Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Dream Speak English. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Jack. Today, we have a very exciting lesson for you. We're going to learn English through Emma's travel adventure.
That's right, Jack. Emma recently traveled to a new city, and we'll follow her story. You'll hear real English conversations and learn useful phrases for traveling.
This lesson is perfect for A2 to B1 learners who want to improve their listening and speaking skills.
Are you ready to start the adventure?
Ready? Let's go.
Emma's travel story begins. Emma arrived at the airport early in the morning. The airport was huge, and she wasn't sure where to go first. She looked around and found the check-in counter. Her flight was at 10:30 a.m., so she had to hurry.
At the counter, the staff asked Emma for her passport and ticket. She gave them to her, and the staff asked if she had any luggage to check in. Emma said yes, she had one suitcase. The staff told her to put it on the scale. It was just under the weight limit. Lucky Emma.
But then the staff said there was a problem. Emma's suitcase had no luggage tag. She was confused.
The staff explained that without a tag, they couldn't send her bag on the plane. Emma told her she picked it up from the counter, but maybe the tag fell off while she was walking. The staff was kind and printed a new tag for her. Emma felt relieved.
The staff also told Emma her flight would board at 10 a.m. from gate 22. Emma repeated the information to make sure she understood. Gate 22, boarding at 10. Got it.
After a long flight, Emma finally arrived at her destination. She was tired but happy to be there. Now it was time to get her suitcase.
Emma waited at the baggage claim, watching the conveyor belt. Bags came and went, but not hers. 5 minutes passed, and the belt was almost empty. No more bags. Emma started to worry. What should she do?
She saw the Lost and Found office nearby and decided to ask for help.
Hello? My bag didn't come. It's missing.
Can you describe your bag, please?
Yes, it's black, medium-sized, with a small red ribbon on the handle.
That helps. What's inside the bag?
Clothes, some shoes, and chocolate for my family.
Please fill out this form with your name, phone number, and hotel address. We will contact you when we find the bag. Usually, it takes less than 24 hours.
Really? That's good news. Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Please check your phone tomorrow.
Emma had no suitcase that night, just her backpack, and the chocolate was gone. But the staff promised to try to find her bag.
For now, Emma had to continue her trip with only the things in her backpack.
The city was busy. People, buses, taxis, everything moving fast. Emma wasn't sure how to get to her hotel.
Should she take a taxi or the bus? A taxi is easy but expensive. The bus is cheaper, but which one to take?
Emma decided to ask a passerby for help.
Excuse me, can you help me, please?
Of course. What do you need?
I want to go to the Royal Hotel. Which bus should I take?
You need bus number 15. It stops right here.
Great, thank you very much.
No problem. Have a nice trip.
Emma got on bus number 15 and talked to the driver.
Hello, one ticket to the Royal Hotel, please.
This bus does not go there. This is bus 15A, not 15.
What's the difference?
Bus 15 goes to the city center. Bus 15A goes to the park.
I don't need the park.
You can get off at the next stop and change buses.
Okay, thank you very much.
The park looked nice, though. Maybe Emma would visit later.
I asked again for directions. Excuse me, how can I get to the Royal Hotel?
Take bus number 10 from here. It goes directly to the Royal Hotel.
Finally. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Good luck.
Emma was on the right bus at last. What a relief. But now she was really hungry.
She arrived in the city, found a restaurant, and went inside.
Good evening. Welcome. Table 41? Yes, just for me, please.
This way. Here is the menu.
Everything looks interesting, but I don't understand some names. What is fire dragon soup?
It's a very spicy soup with a lot of chili.
Oh, no thank you. I don't like spicy food.
Good choice.
Then I would like chicken with rice, please.
Very good. And to drink?
Just water, please.
Perfect. I'll bring it soon.
But there was a mix-up. They first brought Emma the spicy soup by mistake.
I told them politely, this is not what I ordered. I said no spicy food.
I'm so sorry. Maybe I made a mistake.
It's okay. Can I please have the chicken with rice instead?
Of course, right away.
Emma was careful to check her order before eating the second time.
That's a good lesson for all travelers.
After that, Emma enjoyed her meal. Later, she went to the Royal Hotel to check in.
Good evening. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, I booked a single room for tonight. The name is Emma Brown.
Let me check. Emma Brown. Yes, I see your reservation. Perfect. But I'm sorry, it says your reservation is for next week.
Next week? That can't be right. I booked it for
According to the system, the check-in date is Saturday the 21st, but today is Saturday the 14th.
Oh no, I made a mistake.
Don't worry, it happens often. Let me check if we have any free rooms tonight. We're almost full, but we do have one small room left.
Small? How small?
It's usually for staff or storage, but it has a bed and a bathroom.
A storage room? Well, I don't care. I just need to sleep.
Please fill out this form. Here is your key, room 205.
Wow, this is tiny. I can't even open my suitcase in here. After today, even a closet feels like a palace.
What a day. How did you feel at the end?
Exhausted but happy. I learned that even when things go wrong, staying calm and polite helps.
And you learned many useful English phrases along the way.
Yes, like, can I see your passport and ticket, please? And can you describe your bag?
Also, excuse me, how can I get to the Royal Hotel? And I would like chicken with rice, please.
These phrases are very useful for travelers.
So, friends, practice these phrases, repeat them, and use them in your own English learning.
Thank you for listening to Emma's Travel Adventure. We hope you enjoyed it and learned something new.
See you next time for another English story. Bye for now.
Bye!